Uyagimo mwanjo mo ligerali naende hase entunda yende ime iyo morobolisco ya BC ime yetivi ya wanje tiage tembe television kionga kia mamugusi na bana botambe nigoto kunyara kwa twaligerelia abarai ao kuseba bwateli bagalia bene kwa muno asoro ngora gusi tonya kwa tokogenda isiko ya BC twekaransa isiko ya BC tokwanira isiko ya BC abera tatoiga igoro yobugima bwabo tonya kompanyanga na radia libanya kwa bagwetera kuroke na kwabo gwikabono iga na rebanya kwa bakoenekia na rebanya kwa bagwa chief na ande ninge bagokora gwikira abono iga nje nigo ngorko Aaron Ototo Nyangiri magachi kamera nigo hakorwa Josephat Sungura Lucas Mogaka na boigo Eric Abuga igo togende asobwamo asenjera ya bene kigima na asiri tukulia lero nigo tole na abangiri mamumetem na omo speaker we county ya Kisii muspiko kabire we county assembly ya Kisii kolentali ya yuoka na bete omo jumbe omo tanga nikigima ikingola ngino na ya kugasiro mwanchu moligereri abange baino maiti nere omo jumbe omo tanga nikigima we bunge ya South Mugirango ekero yana chitukuru wanjare South Mugirango ekaba South Mugirango na bonjali chikaba chibunge ibere uyole ngo mwaka weli bweyemo emerongo ichimikianda na merongo 53 1988 karo anyata ko baga ko muno jumbo mutanga nikima we bunge ya South Mugirango komenta nayo nanyata ko baga ko ba omo chairman mutanga nikima we kiombe kyo bakoli go Public Service Board as a county ya Kisii nsio burai bwaye omo governor mutanga nikima we county ya Kisii omo sike Elvis James Elvis Omariba Ongwae talio nengo mukwanira ningo mukwanira omo sike David Ondimo Kombo uyitole nere asiri tukulia lero nyaraka baga twerega gago twerega ni senjera bene kigima na inje senjera ya bene kumwarigania ase egeta sen kege tembe asomuro buliga isiko ya BC karibu mheshimiwa
ndiyo man
somuro buliga botambe karotoko yo chaka tima tuserie tambu yana alikuwa na David Ondimo Kombo goselinde ndiro ramento sendiro rarusi kwa chakira
maliza na rayoka
David Ondimo Kombo litanga ligeme somuro buliga ni gotoko chaka twaligera linga memory yaute alias memory obwatanere ligoro yobuguma bwao.
Oh, the earliest memory is that tata igarego kore miremo Kericho asama shamba arenge bakarukiruchi head boy yani orenge in charge of all chinyapara bali balenza abantu nero orenge in charge
muna mosio supervisor
igona arenge company ya Jamji Jamji na leo kore mirimo na otwa kinete na nyetegereza maiso ko manyanga oyo ningo tole ko mang
ejo mwake kyolenge bano yo karo bono ateketa maisa ya bono gachaka
iga chieto re bi ko manyana 1948 lakini ikarongo je korabia 1952 na linkorora 52 na linkorora nga oyo ningo tole ko moyo ntata moke oyo no mama oyo ningo yeah
1952 bono kurweka tuiga 1952 bono tokwira na tochanga igo karokwa your alias memory ge minute kwebole tumaga ya memory iga poto chake sokonyora kumurigereri tochage nga mwaka ki omoske David Ondimo oyuro mwana kombe ndi bono David Ondimo iboire
ya nyimboire 1945 mutenyo gatano kitari gikomene sana izatu tatega renge ngeyo omwarimu asomete paka kusinklasi inye akabo mwalimu
grasi inye lakini akabo mwalimu chinga kichiko grasi inye na benge form favor
ya renge gendeke
na iga uborire gusigo seniga bwesomo
ngiborire bogirango mate totebe esama nyigendo mono liosiri
na Kericho ga igandi ndi mochie tororo
tata chieto 1948 bana mwaka 48
wona karati keto bwali mwakaenda kole gasi
kole memory tanga ni Kisii town akero musongo na rengo ole kurubwana Simba ukairira abantu Kericho kole meremo aiga mata ali angene serious board na offices cha Simba challenge nero kairira abantu Kericho so tata akaba mukaranio nero kulika bali bakoenda Kericho
ikobona atiketo bwalimu
yaga tuko bwalimu buli
bwana kanyole gasi ngija ko bwalimu
bukarani
bono korwa eskuru yao ng'ayo nyachakirete nkericho
eskuru nchakirete Jamji Primary School
eyo monyene bono monyene company
eye company ya Brookbond nkarwaroro ngasoma mpaka class inye twakora amatemwa andira ebire atamanyiri arikuru kwa common entrance examination ngaita ngachagusiyi ngagenda Iterio
common entrance class ile ngabya
inye
class inye
ndio wetu kuchi class 5 6 na form 1 ya lego cha 7 kwa class 5 class 6 class 7 yere bono ya group form 1 na class 8 ya group form 2 eyo iye group intermediate so ngaita ku primary ngagenda intermediate Iterio
igo CBC etoko kwana igo tari koranga tari bono ya chake
tukonya kuirorera
tukonya kuirana kujuma
tukonya kuirana kujumagega
wana gwakorera matemwa korunga common entrance
examination
wa chire Iterio
na chire Iterio 1956 57 narinjete Iterio yango ada matem 56 1956
ukaenda
Iterio
standard 5
standard 5 mpaka lende 8 iya iko form 2 lakini ndio try ka 8 form 1 na form 2 tikaruhusu ku primary tikairwa secondary school so ndio twakora mpaka class 8 kwa twakora mpaka class 8 ngakora matemwa kape yarikuru Kenya African Preliminary Examination
eyibona ere form 2
eyo eyibono lero yabire ekoro kwa form 2 so from use junior secondary bono kana kama matema ya class 8 nganyora ngaita tinaita to the point yoko soa high school eyarenga yamayoke region
ya high school yamayoka yenge gusi
Kisi school
yoka na kero muntu na era tamane
kero muntu na era tamane anye to Kisi school ya yoga enda alliance use national schools kiri cyare ngonke so kantaita ngaba offered kogenda for T3 nerabona P3 teacher 3 eye chenjeti later karukwa P3
eyibone ne bwato ko bwata nangoro na P1 ndio ne byaba
P1 ne yaba form 4 eye ne mu class 8
class 8
P3 iko mu class iko myaka enda P2
umo form 4
enda P1
wana ukabofa dio kole ya P3
ngende okole P3 tata kana ateba yaya akangira nduru aso mwalimu one ndebe na ningo akere mbiyama no Butambe Samuel Kibwage omweli Samuel omweli Kibwage
kaengo so minduru
ole ne nge teacher
nduru
akanga admit asingi chama na akorete buya matemwa aya 8 and nchwa I know mokena ringi very young ngagenda nduru ngaita kurwaroro goja Kisi school
igo bono igo ngwaitete enchereng entamba lakini finally ukakorera kwa so Kisi school
ngaso Kisi school na takete
ibono mwaka kiyo so eta Kisi school
Kisi school so eta 1962 sorry
nanza jinde soko rai nyorera maiga ke ogo taenda kwa Kisi school no nyara ko yara sanga ngikiegerete ngwai kagosine grade ya takere kwa Kisi school kagero chiko etanduru litanga mangana ronza jinde kwa na se distinction
na nyorete mathematics a distinction nganyore gesongo pass nganyora general subjects pass a principal no musongo
oyenge Kisi school
tako ira muntu to bwa credit
the lowest the minimum grade
ata ne credit ese gesongo na lira chibwata ko so mo igwe gesongo igo eka iye kamba oyi twa bwata ko twarengana tira kinero bwate credit akairwa ngatigara
mwarengana tinere lakini wana sema mo gesongo
yani ele abwate a credit throughout maths a credit English a credit general subjects a credit
chisubject isatu mwaka korire
isatu okomanya chi point echo
mwarengana
ni chi point lakini rakairu kisku
akabera tabugati pasire nemereme ye principal ya tagete gosina headmaster ya garuki chinga gitora
yebana
bona finally akaroso ate kisi skuru mwaka yo soete kisi skuru ngaki ekerengeri kia ukiaringe nza chini kwa ringa bali ba so tororo baire tu kwa chire nandi kwa ba umiroro mwasote nandi klasi kama
baro ba chite klasi ke bona batangine 1 year
batangine 1 year
batangine 1 year ngo ngurwani kurumaiga
oyo mwaka yo bona oyo wachite ko yene kwa
so
baro ba
chile 1 year ahead
asigati abali mwasoerenete amo kisi skuru mbara bya ora to ko nyore
Jimmy Angwenyi is one of them I can say very quickly.
A classmate.
A classmate. John Simba, Mom Manyete, was my classmate. The late Absalom Maseti was my classmate. Late Professor Manyenye was my classmate. Nabange to mention but
nabange bakali nande maybe bali balenge moto yawo chinga kiechi bali kwali koligerelinga za chinde nabo tagete kwikera ko moto
balengo muna Mheshimiwa Nyancha David finally obete school captain yaito nabange balenge abagusi
inge experience kia ese skuru ya kisi skuru nga kiki alenge bono gosina mangana ya masomo mangana ichikosoli mangana ya on space emyaka ikwalinge kisi skuru.
In kisi school I was a footballer. I loved football. All games so to say. I played hockey for the school team, I played football for the school team, I played volleyball for my house. I swam to a swimming pool. Ya ringi mata adianga na Kisi University. I only was in a fish pond there. We used to swim there.
It's competition.
We did all manner of things. Discipline was very high. And for any place to succeed, whether in your establishment is all
a discipline.
There has to be discipline. Without discipline, moguchari. No.
Bona so mwaka orwete kise skuru bona mwaka kioro karabana mutem tima dinga ro se form 4 yaringe go se ngeli ko rugwa igwa
ngakora ngasoma kisku from 1 to form 4 to akora mutemwa I got my division 1
oyo mwaka kiyo
1965 to akorete matema soka February 1966 oskurigire na bakora isiri kiro obuya ngakiri East African Standard. Your nation, they used to print the names of they go on you with.
I
know with. Kere school. Abari bakora tumna bakora to go bon.
Na mamali tali kiro.
Na mamali tali kiro.
Ige gaseti monda se ko retrieve gaseti ya mwako yo no Italy ya.
Yeah, there's even one in here form 6. I went form 6 at Kisi School again.
After form 4 nando ka proceed to
form 5 and
6 years Kisi School.
Ni era mongo waro kina area ali obisiane. I got 3 principals and 2 subsidies. You are required when you are 1 principal and 3 subsidies kogenda a university.
Ndone ya bana basi kwisimba ko biyu kuna ji bamaite.
Nkanyora 3 principals na 2 subsidies.
Bono ka mego qualify ko chino.
Kagenda a university.
Oyo mwaka kibono kolete
yankolete form 6 in 1967.
1967.
Yeah.
So kurwabu bono ka manyago chini university ko.
Kagenda nkali kwemeremo immediate about 2 days after.
Muna matemu asogete go muna matemu asogete.
Atara soka.
Muna iko muna kwa koleta matemu.
Muna koleta matemuga. Why? I was a school captain in Kisi School. I was a school captain. Was the head boy. Whatever language you.
Head boy
head boy I was the head boy at Kisi High School. Abarimu respected me in a way. I remember Ekero Africa beg to cover a principal Kisi School. I remember Songo. But in from 6 now Songo by Boka, except Momo Africa. olokoro kwa mwalimu akitaka bomo jumbe. I can't remember his name quickly. Bagacha sende balimu abasongo bagantebi. Organize a strike with school captain. Ndo tware principal. Ndo jinga na iseni. You know what I told them? In Form 6 in the one. I want to be a principal.
Tota idio choko kare ruebi bata ito ko banga kare.
Yani abasongo mutageze mboga ambega iga. Nkoro mwabiri ko nanga sengijaro mwabiri ka. No way. They respected me out of it. They respected me because of that.
What nete no msimame principles cha ochire.
Eka twakora Form 4 bakangimo kibakangira paka Kisii Sports Club. The first time ngo so amaria. Ngo chigoligiria ndra abantu abanene boka n'abasongo boka. Mbegeta ka uniform na karonge ke kaki. Bambegeta kona ngunywe soda yani.
Osabeta soda madia bakabisa.
Bagatebi bank manager ulingo musongo. Ebengi aliko ko National and Grindlays Bank. Ebengi ina rai bolete Kenya Commercial Bank. Right? Ikaibora Kenya Commercial Bank na Grindlays Bank ya Nairobi. Nere ange bank, government bank.
Chinga yecho.
Ngakiyo. Bagamatebyo agabatay marete anke aso emirim. Okora matemwe
Malenta sa kemerem.
Malenta cha kemerem.
Iko gakora kurwe sukuru nagosema.
Tirimboka para ku tirimboka. Gaso emirim.
Nagaso emirim. Kakanyo mushahara sana mushahara mutinyi mutanga.
Kakanya kabisa ngakumi.
Ona ile kacha jiteko soka jindangani.
Mushahara. Shilingi 730 ni chalengi. Kiwa za chinyinge.
Uno mwaka tokota mwaka 1960.
1968 na ngulu mshahara January.
Mushahara mutangani.
Mushahara mutangani.
Shilingi 700.
700.
Chinyinge kabisa buna bana bora
wazo. Kiwa chinyinge man.
Oga kume town ye.
Ge kumia.
Ejibone kaise ko jibeka na birengo bya bone ke bijibe bone kana pochira abanga no ene libumia ngapi ka karoko chirikana.
It's more than about 300,000.
300,000.
Yeah.
Because jinga kie jingo igwa balinga megana ne bakara tanga na ba shilingi bere ko sokoro sna ngombe ne
kwa ko just 30 bob alone kwa gule chieri usinibere
chikole mikabisa
chikole
ono imagine mono bwata 700 chiri 700 ngaki kwa tumikete chibasa 700 chiri
nje na first persons na my parents
Kera ni okoboko.
Kera ni okoboko.
Wano gakole mirimo ye myaka erenga. Osamatuka.
I did not work for a long time. The manager proposed I go to England. For a diploma in banking. Umweli oyongirete ongeteri baganduru. Otigiro bwalimu. Bojumbo kolire igao korana Federation of Kenya Employers akanyora Kenya Power and Lighting yali ku East African Power and Lighting Company company hiyo yatangazire nkuligire every year yakwira one person for kwenda for to the University of Nairobi for some accounting. So he asked me, I want to propose you uchokora interview ya kwende Kenya Power. Kama they need offered kwenda Bongereza. And the gendora akora ya Kenya Power Bongereza ne diploma uchokora. Ya Kenya Power uchokora degree. Ebe ngine bora alikuwa endege kusera koira nobo utikara mu form 6.
Ikakora imukie degree kwanza.
Kara imukie degree kwanza. Ngakaenda akora interview, they wanted one person. I was lucky.
Wakati ni bono
ngasoa Kenya Power. Those days you are either sponsored by a private company or the government to university.
So you go bono company ya go sponsored wa so ile university. Bono kasoa university ke.
Nairobi University for Bachelor of Commerce. Yeah.
Iko yubono ro mwaka 1968.
Mutinyu Kianda.
Bono wakalire ka asiemetyenyi ange
ta. Nane iga.
Ange nane iga. Na babu ata chiri buchitalinge onya ndikwale.
Bona lakini I had to I came from humble ground. I had to support my parents, educate
your siblings.
Our siblings, vana vamintu. Yeah.
Wana wasoire Nairobi University. Anakora ngete chingagie chwe karo chibe karte tenga bona ko nyanga ise university ko nyamuru eta bana banguru kenyore kamo. Chingagie chwe kora ngina bora nyore dana ibu kwalege university ko kuruse ino go se babere ko sabatatu.
Twalengi 14 korugusi.
Korugusi ngima.
Usiyengima Nyamira na Kisii.
14. Igotota bande kere
aba usingum ne boka bali
igakere bunge no yo moyo mukere constituency no yo moyo
ande kine ita about maybe ande bande balengi babire batatu.
Now how was the experience yes Nairobi University?
It's a different game ball. Tayere bona iga haya etu abwata musikania manene ene ntu asikire bali bonse balengi university mundao ko Roma nyanga oyene university yakoro. Then at the university I got elected as General Secretary of Kenya Students Union.
Bakoro kabona igasono.
Sono ne university ngima. Lakini the Kenyans
Kenya ngima bona university
at the university there were 3 universities under University of East Africa. Nyerere was our vice chancellor.
Nyerere president ya Tanzania.
Nyerere Kabarage Nyerere, Julius Kabarage Nyerere,
former president ya Tanzania.
Nyerere ulingi vice chancellor ya University of East Africa. Iya ulingi ya about 3 colleges. Nairobi University College, not university. Nairobi University College, Makerere na Dar es Salaam.
Bona yoga chorbono tenete secretary ya
aba Kenya bali Nairobi. But Nairobi University, I was the Secretary General.
Ngora ngi siasa ya sere nande ya sere ya kabere kara kurukisi sukuru anye kwalenge kuna kwalenge captain bona nande kwa chali rwa ngora ngi nane kya kasuya siasa sekali kya chakiri kwa sawa. Bono wakolire Nairobi University
ngere na Kenya Power ngakora. I worked for 3 years. I was the area accountant Nakuru, area accountant Kisumu, ngoiga Kisumu ngaraya na rosire tigangende seito. Bagachaka town councils in Kenya, the first town councils. Nkarwaro nga apply, I was called for interview, public service, to akora, was selected with the Kisii.
You won only mwagaki?
1973.
1973 bono kwa soile public service
bono public service na chiraiga
bono kwera ndire gusi afuta bono kwa kolire mirimo chinsemo ao kwera ndire gusi
ngakora bono arro mpaka after I finished my CPA, that was 1982. I called a CPA yane nkabate kwa
ngogendera turi kurwabo mwanju muligereri nigo togenderete gukwana emasemo na omoske David undi mukombo oyo obenge ugosobete mujumo mutange mabwe bunge ya South Mugirango nanga turi goika atatebinga kia South bunge kurinde tokana mutimo komo keigo tokwira na tunyara kwa tokogendera he nisiko yabisi nchini ngongoro kwa ruri utoto nyangire. Mo ya kabere yo murubali wali tukolia lero mnati ukomanye tole no moske David ndi mukombo ase togenda konya kurigereria igoro yo muganoye ase getambo gereka mugochia sekende na konya nigo twigire sto nyanga batogokwanira igoro ase anyaka bagagotsoa ase public service na omoske kombo watenga konya wasire public service kole nataka ngoira ni maiga asinini ase chinga kwalenge Nairobi University mate Nairobi University of Nairobi timaga kimwaga yegire sikwezi matengu amira ni bale sa
University of Nairobi.
University of Nairobi.
Oh, munyoro mundu bazi certificate erikire Nairobi University mo bwata. Teyo.
Ite hakuna kitu kama hiyo.
Hakuna hiyo.
Bono wa ase karo university iga among go sabantu bali ngororo Ngunya turu tuwe basana to twatemire kurigiringa bali mwasomete na barabu ko bwamonese karo kwa inge school ya Kisii School bono gaigese Nairobi University Nairobi University of Nairobi tuma tinga na barabi bali oranyole kumwarenge na barabu ase University of Nairobi bali oranyorete babere batatoiga
ase abagusi abamatuwana emyaka yane abandi ba tukumanyiza ba
esabagachiyete
basirire guki nani lwakikoba oli muntu onyora ekarara arete na gotebi Absalom Moseti. He was my classmate. Jeremiah Mainye was a Bachelor of Commerce, was my classmate. Alexander Mugambi, ukaberi kuru bugira ngorogoro. Na beza se mangana coffee farmers. We were together in class at Nairobi University. And then there were others, but Musbat Nango Orogoro Kumocheche. She was ahead of me by 1 year. The late permanent secretary, Yandukuru Wagansaiga, everybody, and them na kitaka kwa kweta
na enze moya bali mugosiki lecturer say Nairobi University of Nairobi.
Those days, by the way, many were whites. Bali gosomye bantu baito mbalenge bange ba Professor Got na balenge Professor Minde na alenge Dr. Nyonka na nsometi kwende economics,
former cabinet minister
Angweyi na olenge tutorial fellow ya group yaito. In those days, if you had a master's, you were allowed to be a tutorial fellow, not a lecturer. Yeah.
Na igo ase Dr. Onyonga na gosometi University of Nairobi. Na nangora ingese kuruga igabona na rolengo muntu ngabone se bali bagosometi.
Yeah.
Na bono to tambuke bono kuruga butera nese wase Public Service Board 1982.
Public Service Board.
Service, public service.
National Public Service 1982.
1982.
Okore Mubune Town Treasurer, Kisii Town Council.
Kisii Town Council.
Yeah.
Iyo yabwatira neti ya inge very wide singa gicho.
Ne town yoke, meto yero chinga. Na biya just for the town. It didn't go very far. It was for the town. Then later I had to write a paper. Those days you had to prove that you are able to be a municipality. Municipality njalengi do mogo So I was commissioned to write a paper to present it to the ministry and the national government. Yanchira nanga moisanire mogo kwe municipality. That I did, and we were granted a municipality.
Eyo municipality mokai kumwaka ki?
A municipality ngejite 1982, around 82, I can't.
1982. Na bono ase karotwa jage kugando jinga ngonya kukaribia tole aya kwa chikabo mochumbe. Inga kingana ngikuwa korte meme service public service.
Kana kore 1982 I resigned. Having completed my CPA, I was now a certified public accountant, Bachelor of Commerce, certified public accountant. Ngegore kwende yane efamu yane. Ngasawa kwa nyaba kusi.
Efamu yogo
audit.
Yeah. Wana kwa ruguru CPA David Ondi Mukombo.
Yeah.
Kwa bontali David Ondi Mukombo kwa saigo.
Yeah.
So bono kwa sere private practice.
Yes.
Na kuru 1982 bono.
1982
kwa korto mwaka ya mwase.
Yeah. Na kwa kuru 73. Ese municipality era kwa to mwaka ya.
Na iga bono ekaro private practice yoko yakolera pado bosongo mu chuo.
Yeah, Kisii Town. I had offices in Kericho. I had an office in Nairobi. And here. Yeah.
We kira bono ekaro kwa sere private practice amangana siasa ngakie jete ko so bono.
One time ekaro ngale ministry na Kisii Nairobi. Ministry of Cooperatives. Go hand in audits chani che cooperative societies. Ngo akirisi mkuru wae ganga nota keire na DC.
Bosongo.
Bosongo. Ngo ichabono ngotebigwa nutakere na DC gendoro. Ngo ikororo ngatebuta injina gutagete. Gendoro Provincial Commission gutagete.
DC agotumoje the peace ba.
Ngateba
no mo bisi ngisumu already.
Ngateba bantu ane morora bisi ngochi. Tima idese jingo.
Taba budakita duna.
Obi ngakie ya budakita nyale ngo. Ngaiga Kisumu ngatebu tonyora Nairobi. Tokanya Nairobi. Nkenyora nde State House.
No Mosque Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi.
And then we have looked around Bugirango. You are fit to be a member of parliament.
Apo Bugirango bado tirabagano. Ere Wanjare South.
Really abagani
1982.
Ya abagani 88.
1988.
Now they be in quality practice yani
Baga
1988 March 21st chikole
1988 bono nali Wanjare South Mugirango ebagani
libone ebe South
Mugirango na South Mugirango.
Yes.
Bono kwarangaligu na no Mosque Daniel.
Because as a leader he also wanted to look koramba bungago akogroom babe members of parliament. I don't know who proposed me. I don't know how it happened.
Iko kuru South Mugirango na ibeka kwa lengo ko saba
alone.
So ki biranga biyonga kibya lenge I think
I wasn't in for politics at that time. I had wanted to vie in 1983. I did not. I stood down for Mheshimiwa Olengoro. I stood down for him. This time I didn't want because I just started my practice. Try kabisa ikole anything.
1988 kwa ikile State House bone somo muraibense Mosque Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi enara entune tanga kwa mumere kosakanya kwa ramumere
njiko ina mumere na lenge mangana siasa na lengo
kurwa bona kwa bole tikunga nota ketaka mujumbe kose kwata tikubona kendo chiko mujumbe
ndoro chino isaine urabo mujumbe
ira nakao
na engoro wote banga tinta giti
tuvuga tikurichiko kana
ayo ngiru nyambona uyezo bonene okenya mbake bakwanga bona bali banga
agiri abangi kwika babwateriko
abange bakubwateriko
so bono wa iranire wa
kaenda bone ganze kondrail from kobomo accountant ucha kumove kuchikuligi chikura ngara tige myane okorobo accountant
kaira no
kumenya Mugirango kubulia abantu abantu nabagata mainaro no isaide tata ande no somete keto kwa igente
abone miaka nene ngobwate
at that time 1988
abwata around
43 years
na competition yaunga kiyalenge chinga geje mbungo na ngomwa
oyo nditwale ngomo na bande mbalengo but itu abezo guri komo ichikuru no yondi tamagenderero look at inzobwate misima ataria nkiyato konyire abane mbabate chae nayo nonyeira nanzake amauwa na kabaira roro ku other constituencies Parethram maatari we would try to see how our people bango bagwene toko na egento yo kra konya bantu no bomo mokore nani musike bigori enye kurumura yusike bigori ena agachire na bodi abagaka ngokora ndeke na kimoroje nonye kwende law njale ngororo ya public participation I used to in my own style by talking to the elders. Because now we do chumbe nana kora mondo kurgi itakiane okoboli mwako yo na kienze ngakito kora mbake ne bachire na MCA
na kuruga bono ase bono kwa beiro mujumbe na ngikia nyarte ngikia beta bono tebe 1992
elections were held. It was not an election between us, it is a kiama here for the people. Kiata to come in under the leadership of Mwaga Nyachae. Kobanga na Omugusi. That's what took us out. Not because of underperformance. No.
Gabon on Kelinga Bonabanto, but I get the what we associate Nick Kiama. Yeah, for the people. Yeah, for anyone who are linking Mugabuatra and Muna collateral damage.
Collateral damage to end out. If you remember that time, Onyonko survived it. And I dare say, Moyo Murwan survived. Kango ever swept completely.
But like yeah, just what happened 1 and 10 years later, 2002.
Like I hope it will happen soon.
Soon it might happen again. One Kuruabu, a Jubono 1992, Koba Ekiama was a way for the people Yakurusi obviously. Then into about the Chikura in 1997. Pardon, what you talk about?
97, I contested, but I had. I began losing interest. For the last 2 or 3 of them, one go new anywhere near Chikura.
You got the last time political Jumba
was 2000.
2002. And not about the away for your dear Muyana, the Kawago Sweep, Puchinga getting Korenginari. I think Nalium was Kimagara. So, Karo Abona to a cold Ramangana Siasakaba active Siasa Bono, say Okaira no Okalus interest Siasa, 2002.
You can now see that I didn't have that interest even from the beginning. No.
Yeah, Jete Kobabona Kwairu no Moraibu and Sijinga Kicho. But na you understand him na yarenge. So Kurwabona Kwairan to the Bonagarwa quarter to 1992. What did I go Mojumbe? Private practice?
I went back to my private practice, but by that time I had lost a lot of people, a lot of clients. But I had a school at Sotik, a school with Elimu. Sotik Yaring. A top school, Eukwaneka, Pakagusi, Avanawako, Pakuru, Mombasa, Paicharo. So that's what I did most of the time. Thinking to obviously on the could give me them. Aye. And I said, public life.
So, fast forward, go to the Goirana to Irana family, going to your family. They want to get a core on public life. No, again, talking in the private, like in the public, I'm not going to get a couple of Jumbe. Might have been about to get in public Leo Mabugao. 2002, Nali wa Boliti Kyo Jumbe Leo Malio, Kurugago Tirto. So, Yaki fast forward 2013. 2013, cut by a change we are 2010, Yagoli 2013 to a Chirobacholi, a county Akisi and Yolo Mogavano Muya, Kuruku, James Elvis Maribongwai. You got on Nandebon into the public. Nandeng Kolengia Bangaba Balinta Chinekonyaba, Evident Chirega, Bagoremna, and chairman of Public Service Board.
On why the Soman to come out and go Manomoke? Kiss school.
I ain't my guy.
Naring school captain. I was his school captain. Born a Corona, a Korichura, Nankwan.
Can I go to Governor?
Governor, and then what is come there, let's go. You are fit.
No, say.
Come on, what is ya? Akabwa. Ogirango actually I did a lot of campaign for him. A lot.
Bona kara irete nali oje to konyo ali bagelio ko
nadio bakraba advertise chairman of public service board. But after I've been in public life, why not try? I tried.
I interview akora mangana you public service board for the 5 years. How
4 years and some months.
4 years and some months.
I want to commend all members for about working about. No,
board ye born in Tanganyika.
Gende abantu bari kire a body you. Obori go so ningo oete kombe diaki. Ta utoka no yom.
Wakorte mirimo ya oche nwiri boikira
ta go toka atoke yenda kumisa nan dia ninki no namonkaro mwebu because we wanted to do a fair job.
Nando maten transition
ya lenge lakini bono tukalika abantu abangi more than 3,000 people lero munda kuli ko muntu orusabairu 300
kajangale gas kwa kwe gas yuko sabiru 300
kimine dinga wala okora bale lakini that's generally nationally ina ile trend again
ese trend ya Kenya bono iko
ya Kenya
kwa mirimo na bono emyaka yetano gwatebire ng'a kemo kiabo ri proud of no kalinga toilet yaki and then ngakiora leti obokorere bwino chinga kicho emyaka yane na mitinyi gite gwakorete mirimo ese county
to gende twasoeta salary nani systems kitamanyiri
mogora bi mogo chakwera biri
mogo chakwera biri abwe kwagache. I thought we did a good job.
Twekire 2017 twachire nande chi campaign chia kerokyo bogavana nando mugavana ongwa nando irire chikura koruga iga timatinga ga konye kwa resign ndiko sine tamu yawe yarire muna echa ya public service
no kwenye resign you want resign it could give speaker
igo muna omoske ongwa chorire tamu ya kabire bado no watikarte muna echa ya public service
no echa ya public service ngama ko resign ngariyo
speaker zachini gigia ko motivated tiko so go tike kia go chair public service board.
I've been a member of parliament. I'm able to run a new assembly. I'm able to run an assembly. So I thought I should do that.
So gachor koba speaker kabere
correct
we county ya Kisii inze kobwati ya speaker siondieki yoni ngo speaker motangani na onse bono oburai bwa borabu ase county assembly imyaka yetano 2017 2020 baronga kiura bakwanere.
I would say we did very well until a problem ekaba yo muchumbe oyo maga kwa igago kwa nchibina chairman ya Awesa assembly ntubwate assembly service board asendo mu chairman twaitiri kibesa a budget twaka na insurance twaitiri a body mejo aka na insurance twatebi insurance ya akaniru insurance ya akaniru kumbe insurance takoli zike te akaniru oyekera akwa there was no money
to compensate
to give the family. Eyeka gaza liberera si assembly nga chairman nende we public assembly service board nkyo gutigera
oyibona amabona bako omumaga chobona amamujaga kurarira bo
akandalira whereas I'm not the one who is paying njego ndi supposed to make sure to abegire kibesa as a budget and chaitigwe and to make sure to avoid akana twaitire minutes yo koraki yo wakana there was some bali ba wakana bao yo bakoroka yo in charge of finance and in accounting world akorokwa in charge of money anyway.
Some financial treasury no jetenete chipesa geseke gusi to gole dabugo na nese emyaka yawe yo mweli ese mune speaker na liberere lia rorekanete sana
likaba why
baga remember one time no sieke irobisi
mbate mede gusi office but obabodi lero eli siasa ya lengi obabodi bana iga we have been to because na matiki na killing carrot kilikia na begete nkera era tikera era
badonga ndata
we went to a bit the wagumura kabona uze
bita
bali
mogaya ne bono
bali gonso era kaba ito batango itabwata mangana siasa twategete gokora sintonyo aragento
bono nkorengi nange tuli gochigokora mwancho murigereri nigotogenda gokwana no musike David onde mukombo oyo orenge omuspika okabere bwe county ya Kisii tochakeritangani nigarenga omujumbe mutangani kabisa bwe bunge ya South Mugirango agachakaba omunyakero go mutangani gima bwe county assembly kose Kisii County Public Service Board agachakaba omuspika okabere bwe county ya Kisii na nkorenge gatogo chigokorera bonega mheshimiwa natotore na kaigo inse yeji daika chinsini niga turarigereri matotararigere tutayenga bono iga ninkyo gokora turarigereri igoro ye family yawo ngwateba karuto kwera no jima ngwatanga mirimo ya mitanga ni kwanyorete siringi chimi isano na ibere zachinde ase umuntu kawere to kolingi chibesa nekarengeri gyo konyore family yawo ndiri kwa mwete bono korara kwa mwanga bono konyore family
chanyorete family kinde university data
I got
married in 1970.
1970.
Yeah.
So from there, bagusinga tayabale bana baliko baru nabara kwaniri gore family gore gocha to gendret to gochukole.
Abana bane na bale. Emere mo bale. Abande na bale Kenya iga babere. Na abande badatungu bale. Mara Australia, a medical doctor. We only are America, a doctor. Nene a medicine. We only are Nairobi, as a general manager in one of the parastatals. Na we only are Wangereza, London, Bengi, HSBC. We only got in Kaiga, Nerole Assembly. Na manyorete thank you na murigeto na manyorete are legal director ga minute na lawyer na man legal department bujaki
ma kurwabu ase family munamba gusinza jini ko chitatu advice kungatori ko genda ime maono nigo okwana keri lakini ndo obogosia bangu mata banda bange bakarenga karo montaño chibesa naliako nyore family kwa igweso musike kombere chibesa chimonyorete kabwa de family bono toikire ase omwaka 2022 wakorire muna speaker bono tokebeke literally bono kwerenere siko bono gwakorete mirimo muna speaker okabere bwe county ya Kisii. Well,
right now, I would say at the age of 80, one is supposed to be retired. But I'm not tired. I won't go to advice to school. I've handed over to my children. I've told them, Koreke in Mokora Kini. Tinigo Tigaigo, Kibes a canta, Tigam, Nanjina Manyanga, Kibago Kora. In the morning, I wake up, come to school for about 2 hours. I'm making a Bachani Chekhov. Nagende Herrera was the Kisii Sports Club. Nabaga Kabandi Bakorikiane.
Ekoabu
golf. Tuagende tuaga golf. Every day saa 5 oise goje na ogoto nyora giti. Umbo asinurura
kama waka golf kabisa.
Tuatare giti yonsi pitwakora. Tuacheza twakora. Tuagenda tuaba ready freshen. Tuikaransa twaro sirwaga kima.
Baragira.
Obukuma bwabori. Nabaga kabane. Twari erecha. Erecha lecture. Erecha means lecture.
Mware erecha.
Twari erecha. Twari amangana. Twagamba.
Bu director na chose batsukura kwanza karanga timaitire acha dingi. Ike na nyuma nyire kwetere so musike.
Twari erecha. Twari erecha kabisa. Ekigaka. Oyo gosete twamate ngai
ngogoso
ria ututweri toribia
mwaka none jidiri chobo gotwa
abo gotwa eweka saa 9:30 saa 10 twagenda genda bwe mabi tonyorani na saa kubuki biya
igo emereme nemiye kare emereme nemiye nabune kubwate karo bangete karo
mambi njuto morale buna tori saa 5 mo tonyora
toje totale ema to somo direct toje na acha twanjere totale inde to nyaka batokora no nturara na muna mogwa ke golf
na to
gusi en golf
golf twegere kuru gusi na to gusi na kabisa ke ga abantu rugo gese basa ba go ikia
lakini ngote mambo
lakini to ngote abanga ya mumura nje akuna ona ga ikiri
lakini lero tiana nyinda iki guys na ikiri Wano kukolera abu kwa era sirebeke amanga na yogo chase golf msajinde that experience nga kiole 8 years na ando very strong again tongere kwa kuana nga 1992 Ford people ga sweep paka yo mo kabe victim mo ga sweep mo ga sokir go chisiko nande ko me ko tabanga muna ge go chikoba bwa ngoiga again ngole ngina no mo go sioli gere tete bina ba ko ndiko manyanga ngi kwa minute
na romano ito o te banco nero isaniro
kora minyoka
isaniro nere ono musi ai to korre sogochi
tiga musi tiga na ba kono
onye musi to kono shauri yako
Wano muske kutokombe karoto ko chikorera kigima twa ira ni ngambi ya mona sana kisenge kwa twa ligania se umuchio yo no muchio pado tumaito sina gebegire ko muchio
ore biya kabisa
twagokire sana kwa twa ligani na nataka tukore ase litangike mo kwa ngana yawe yo mweli gochia ase umurigere litoge Tembe TV echenero etali limited kurwa abo mai komanya karoba ko kurwa basemi ngaki kende gyo statement ndio nse komeka yo kurwa basemi chisikali muno monto ko ni public service ko private practice na yanda mange
mbia mana abatagereri na abarigeri be TV yonda tebe nga mbia mana sege Tembe na intwe abatwa ko myaka ya chire ya tuengeirake na vile bia twa ruo basemia na bara ruo basembi wo bataba lakini na bo ko nyegisa egisa kyo mugusi togende kwegera bina turakore tobe yamo mwarora ekera bandi bago chibokore rukende ya bago chamo omugusi ondo inokera okunwa iga mogotin mogo seka mwagenda mbia kya manyora tigatorigie ncherera torete amo
mugusia chamo
omugusia chamo kuruguru bugirango ruguru paka bugirango mate kurubuge tutu chachi paka ruguru nyeri bari bongonta ruguru kurubu machoge mate paka ebe wes mugirango toigwanane tobegente kemo no mugusi tosika baraba gotu na baramba bwate space ase ayagendete Kenya mbaroche baye gulibaga tindiko sabanga libaga ntake tintaibaga ninga takete lakini ko uraga ni obasemia na otole na bato ko bu turanyare okwa okora runga mboise ni to gutiga ndinago sibete eli akabere omugusi bina twabaiga atura everywhere in Kenya toteme komenya na bamintu biya ebisa kubinde toteme komenya astayora agende tonyora mugusi no genda wajiri
kanyara mugusi
no kanyara mugusi oraro igo toteme komenya na bagusi nabantu ebisa kubinde ntoba korera chongerio eka indu tokamenya to babange kuba barabo menseto igo totware obwama tobiya guchese abantu bande na mono kigima twegere kolenda ekere kyao
oya kigima
tata iga tebinga lende ngondi yao onye no yoito oganiti kyaganiti aegwe mubwatesi ekera nyona enkwanyora
mubaya nore bagatanga getenga sangira ngondi timaze no bwikanine no ne
Gitenga sangere ngondi njino mu Gitenga igatwale gusangira kabisa ngondi twayingusa yaje story mutasangire ti ikimali kuligia in other words obomo botayo ikimali kuligia moko nyora Kenya iga kuligia itore ntora ay gumere mu biya ya
tiracha munetake
nekere muna roba ke niba cha ko mogena cha manne bwese ntuntu wange tikucho lakini tobwati kadi kuchero yoko ano jiko tuo mugisieri
to kwanjeri kweta
ya ndibone miaka itora tuomwa ngakenzeri ugandi
ndiko bwena
iko tugutenera twatwa yaye
buya muno kigima mwanju murigereri oyo nigo akorukwa omoske David Ondimukombo omujumba mutangani kigima bwe bunge ya South Mugirango omonyakiro ko mutangani kigima bwe Kisii County Public Service Board naboigo omospiko mutangani kigima omospiko kabire bwe county ya Kisii nabuno tokukorera omurobori bwe ritkolya lero isiko ya ABC nche nigongorukwa Haroni Ototo Nyangiri na kurumaiga ya kamera nigalenge Josephat Sungura oyole production manager naboigo Lucas Mogaka naboigo umuteneli wa mangana mayi asegeta seni gya Getembe Eriki Abuga ndi tokore ngambye mone singe nchoga ndiko bwatemero bali yito ya Getembe TV kerali tuko korwali tuko gocha serinde kuika aso moroboli onde isiko ya ABC tonyara kaba kogosuka korwa segeta seni kyao wanjete kya Getembe.